Alright, today's down and dirty. We're going to have a little fun over here at the scrap pile out at the compound. Today we have a Maytag 5-foot refrigerator, and we're going to see if the most anemic round in the world can be defeated by this piece of crap. Now, full disclosure, I do have rounds going in this side, so we're going to get it from the other side, and it'll be with a Beretta 950 BS in the weak as hell 25 automatic. We're going to back up to about 7 yards here. Just do 3 rounds. All right. Pocket auto in the kitchen, friend or foe? How'd we do? It went through. Went all the way through. That's good. Looks like it just, you can tell by how they're peeled out like this that it was not really going too fast. And you can't really discount that there might actually be stuff in the fridge other than spiders. For the hell of it, I brought the 380 out. Let's see if we can clean up those holes a little bit. This is a Ruger LCP-1 in 380 95 grain Herder's ammo. Hold on, I gotta charge it safely and can't do that with one hand. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna go a little lower here. Try Herder's ammo again. See what we got here. 4 holes in there. 4 holes out the back. Bigger hole, more damage. You are not safe behind your own refrigerator, people. Cool. And I got one more toy I brought out. Just for the hell of it, I have a premium quality sofa. The sorted stains. We're going to see if the 25 can go through a pretty thick couch cushion. Tiny hole. And tiny exit. Let's see what the 380 does. Hold on one second. There we go. What are you doing? Come on. Come. Oh, Steven. Also, random watering bucket. So today what we learned is that you're not safe behind couches, refrigerators, or watering pails. Maybe next week I'll come on out to the junk pile and we'll see what else we can shoot.